You guys, I am loving this stick. And so if you love a natural pearly glow, but you don't want glitter or anything heavy, I just like more natural. And this is the Goop Beauty Glow Skin Highlighter Stick. And I got it in the Aura, which is really natural looking on my skin tone. And it's one of those products that makes your skin look instantly more awake. The texture is a lightweight gel stick, so first tip is start with less than you think you need. I like to swipe a tiny amount on the high points of my face, top of the cheekbones, a touch on the brow bone, and just a dab in the cupid's bow, and then I tap it with my fingers just to kind of smear it a little bit to blur it in. Tapping instead of rubbing keeps the glow sitting right on top of the skin, and it's the prettiest way, and it helps you to blend without moving your makeup underneath. I don't personally wear much makeup, but I like to add this to add little highlights, so you can wear it with makeup or without. Here's a little trick if you want to look a little extra smooth. Warm it up first. Just give it a little swipe on the back of your hand, then pick it up with your fingers and press it into your cheeks, or I used it to be able to push it into the corners of my eyes, you'll see here coming up. That gives you a little softer, more skin but better kind of finish, especially if you're wearing foundation or tinted moisturizer. And because it's truly multi-use, you can also use it as a quick eye brightener. Tap a tiny dot on the inner corners or right on the center of your lid for that fresh open eye look. Just keep it light. This one is one of those products where a little bit goes a long way. My last tip, if you ever feel like your face looks a little flat on camera, this is the easiest way to bring your dimension back. It gives that pearlescence glow without looking overdone. Just polished, healthy, and finished. Consistency is my standard. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link. At no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.